Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Evoque P270e Autobiography, with an eye-catching Seoul Pearl Silver exterior complementing the black exterior pack. Also coming fitted with pixel LED headlights as well as 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. Also benefiting from low mileage as well as its manufacturer's warranty up until September 2028. This Range Rover Evoque also comes fitted with the electrically deployable tow bar. Stepping inside now, we're just going to take a look at the driver's seat memory function as well as the electric window controls, Meridian surround sound system and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with 14-way electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the interactive driver's display. Also featuring a ClearSight interior rear view mirror. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive 11.4-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. The P270e engine boasts an impressive 265 brake horsepower, getting you from 0 to 60 in just 6.8 seconds, as well as having an electric range of up to 40 miles. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Evoque now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.